That's the longest delay ever. Welcome everyone to Let It Cook. Cooking. We're baking this morning. What is going on, Kayla Cinnamon?
What's up? Dude, I'm so
Welcome to the
excited to
stream.
be here.
Number one show.
Number one
That's
show.
what you it's so good. Burke and Pierce are on holiday. So we have special guests, new special recurring guests, maybe new host of the show. Who knows? Kayla Cinnamon. You may have seen her sprinkled a little bit of cinnamon all over. I asked Copilot to come up with names for our stream, and it recommended a dash of cinnamon. I thought that was pretty cute.
Yeah. You could have taken credit for that one, but it's cool.
I take credit for nothing. I don't do anything. I just press buttons. I let it cook and just let it rip and just go. So yeah, it's pretty good.
Fair.
Well, people may know you, maybe don't know you, but you're showing up all over the VS Code channel and other channels as well. So maybe let everyone introduce yourself to the chat, as Burke would say, to the chat.
Yeah. What's up, chat? I'm Kayla. I joined James's team back in November. Now we're partying on VS Code and GitHub Copilot stuff. Before that, I was a product manager. So if you use Windows Terminal or Power Toys, I was part of that. So big fan of the developer workspace, been in it forever. So I'm excited that I get to party with you guys on VS Code and just make fun content and show off all the fun stuff. So yeah.
It's cool. I get to use your products every single day. I'm using Windows Terminal every day. I use your blog post on the WinGet import. I got a new machine yesterday. I was telling you WinGet import. I have my import file in my OneDrive, so I just literally go and it just like lights it up and it's like good to go, which is a good pro tip. But I need to do all the other things that you tell me to do. That's kind of what I need to do. Just listen to Kayla. Oh, Kayla's camera's gone.
Oh no.
Kayla's first live stream. Kayla before the stream was like, I'm going to redo my entire setup, and I got 10 minutes to go, so that's perfect. Nailed it.
I literally just moved my laptop, and that was it.
You're not allowed to move the laptop. Well, while Kayla's figuring that out, we have something special to show off because Microsoft Build's coming up. Did you know that, Kayla? You're going to be there.
Oh yeah, I love Build. It's the best time of year. Build time.
I'm gonna be there, and check this out. There's a cool promo, and I put no sound on it so we can talk about it. Check out this. Whoa, look at this animation. Microsoft Build this year, San Francisco, June 2 to 3, very close to my birthday. We can celebrate my birthday early. It'd be several weeks early. But you can go to ak.ms/build26. Registration is now open. And Kayla, I now have a new browser, which is VS Code. And VS Code is my new browser. So I only use it because I could just share it, and then I could just ask it. It's AI on demand browser. If you go to ak.ms/build26, okay, let's figure out our machine. You can go check it out. Now, there's going to be tons of people there, all sorts of stuff. Obviously, tons of AI goodies, VS Code, GitHub Copilot, the whole GitHub crew going to be there. Multiple days. Satya will be there. Of course, we got Jared, Scott, Simon's going to be there. Swix will be there. Priyanka, Rob, a whole bunch of people. I'll be there. Kayla will be there. Pierce will be there. Burke will definitely be there. If you're not there, head over. Registration is open. Put your ticket in. Go do the thing. Let me pop up the aka.ms. It's somewhere here. Ooh, there it is. aka.ms/build26. Check it out over there. I'm super excited for it. But yeah, this is my new default browser. What do you think about my default browser, Kayla, now that you're back?
I'm a fan.
It's not bad. I mean, mostly an Edge person, but it's here. It's ready all the time. I can just new tab and just boom, you're good to go. So
yeah, I mean, one less tool to use, I guess, if you don't need an actual browser.
Yeah, and then I could build. I mean, it does almost everything, so it's pretty good. It's pretty good. The team's crushing it, so pretty good.
Yeah, nice.
Did you get to see Did you see the fancy animation, or did you have to leave?
I was here.
I'm gonna play it again.
And nothing worked, so
that's okay. Where's my media at? There it is. There's so many things on here. Check this out. Oof. They gave me a graphic, and then I had to like elongate it and then add an ak.ms at the end. It's pretty good.
Oh, nice.
Pretty good. It's going to be at the same place that GitHub Universe was at, which is Fort Mason, which I'm a fan of. Were you at Universe this year? Did you go to Universe?
No, I've been dying to go. Looks like a good time.
It was my first one. It was pretty fantastical. I should probably book a hotel. That'd be probably a good idea. I should figure out what days I'm going to be there. Maybe I'll drive down. We'll see. Not too. It's a pretty far drive, but not too far. It could not like LA. No, so, Kayla. All right. Are we cooking? What are we cooking?
Yeah, we could cook. If I'm still here, we could cook.
You're here. I see
You
you.
can see me. Yeah.
You've been building stuff and shipping stuff. You shipped stuff with some people to the VS Code website. Is that correct?
Yes, for fun. I love like that we could just build stuff for fun and it's not a huge stress, you know?
Every day.
Every day. So yeah, the team was like, "Hey, like we're getting pretty close to 1 million subscribers on YouTube. It'd be really cool to celebrate it in some way." We're like, "Yeah, let's just make like a page on the VS Code website that does fun countdown stuff, or I guess count up stuff to 1 million." So this is live. You can go to code.visualstudio.com/1m. So we built this to look like VS Code, just not VS Code at all. This is one single file that's running this whole thing.
What more do you need? Just one file.
Just one file.
Is what I
Everything should be
recommend.
built on one file. That's really best coding practices that I've heard of. But yeah, there's a bunch of Easter eggs in here that maybe we can walk through, and then maybe we can add some stuff to this because I like tried to help whip this together in like a day or two, so it's not. It could use some polish. It's missing some stuff, you know, but it's cool.
Yeah, and if people subscribe in real time, if you're not subscribing, you're watching on YouTube, or you're not on YouTube, go to YouTube/@code, and then this thing should update in real time. I think. I have no idea what API it's calling. Ish.
I don't think it's gonna update real time.
Oh, come on. It'll update in real time. Maybe. We'll see.
Well,
nah.
Okay.
I'm putting you on the spot. You built it. Yeah, it's close enough to real time.
Yeah, I think it's using the like based off the rate of subscriber increase, it will tick it up anyway without having to manually check the subscriber count. So I don't think it will update in real time, but it's close enough.
I'm gonna unsubscribe and resubscribe really fast.
And watch this number go down. That'd be so sad.
Oh no!
Oh no!
Don't do that. That's the hard goal of live is like the chat can do whatever they want, so they're there, they're ready to go.
That's true.
Right. So it was cool is that I think on Monday before this went live, there was like 1 or 2 tabs, and then you and I hopped on a call, and then you're like, I want to do all this and check out all this, and now there's like a whole bajillion things. So what's going on in all this?
Yeah, so this is just your standard Flipboard counter. This is like a diff patch, so you'll see like plus in green with like 992.166 or whatever. So it kind of shows like a diff view. Each tab is a different VS Code theme. So like this theme is the theme I use in my Code Insiders. This one is just by line number. It's got, you know, counting up, which is cool, and it'll update. We've got this like debug console. So this is where you could see there's like a little inside scoop, but when James and I met, we had these 3 pages, and then I partied in here, and now there's like the left tab bar, which isn't on the first 3. We could add that today. You know, we could do a few things. But yeah, this one's like a debug console. We've got like the terminal and stuff down here. This one is the command palette. We can make these work. These don't do anything. We can light this up. We got options. Chat if you want stuff. Put it in the chat.
Put it in the chat. No, it's fun because I was on these pages. I just wanted to try to click around. I was like, what does Control-Shift-N do? And it like opens a new tab or something like that.
Oh, I didn't dare. I don't know.
Because like you're in the browser. Right? Like, oh, don't do it now.
Yeah.
But I guess you could hit enter and then maybe it could do something fun. You know? I did notice. Oh, it was there. It's no longer there. I think when you hit the X button, it used to do. It used to do the confetti. I think you fixed it.
Oh
no, it does do the confetti. Nice.
That's an Easter egg for me. I don't think I broke that. I mean, I must have because I added the confetti. So I got to take credit because I think the PR. But
more confetti. I say. Well, let's rip. Let's cook. I'm ready. Let's do it.
Okay. Well, a few things. We are definitely missing like the agent little guy up here. Like there's no agent mode. And I thought it'd be cool to maybe try to add that.
Okay.
with like Copilot SDK maybe, and
Wow.
fingers crossed. So we're cooking. It's live. It's
Let's cook.
fine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is there a screen? Would it be like on all of the pages, or do you think like a specific screen that you would put it on?
I think all of them. I mean, sure, why not?
All right.
All right. So this is actually VS Code, even though it looked just like the web page we were just on.
If you couldn't tell.
I know, you could tell. And then this is the page that supports that whole thing. It's one file.
Wow.
That's
That is
all. That's
one
all that's there.
large page.
Yeah.
What's the line
Like
count on that puppy?
oh,
Look at that mini map.
uh,
Wow. That is
like 3,000 ish,
Did you know you can
2,800.
right click on your mini map now? Right click on the mini map. Check this out. And then you can say side, and then you can put it on the left
Ooh,
hand side if you want. If you want to.
ooh.
That's up to you. That's your choice where you put your mini map.
Well, I don't know. I haven't been given this option. Now, I'm gonna have to think about that.
Yeah, I thought about it and then I just
Yeah.
removed the mini map. I'm anti
Oh,
mini map. Controversial anti mini map.
I
So
thought about it too hard. I just got rid of it.
if I have a mini map and it enables me to scroll like more than more than like a little, if that scroll bar is like more than a certain size, that means I need to refactor that file and put it into different files.
You
So
mean you don't do one large file?
uh that that's the Kayla Cinnamon pro tip. It's pro
It's
tip
not.
one.
It's not.
Every code base of Kayla is one file. I mean, then ideally Copilot doesn't need to search around because it's all in one file.
That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Like, you don't
It
need to
just
tag a file with, like, the @ sign or whatnot. The pound
yeah.
sign? Few of
You don't
them.
need to add comments to that file because it's in the file. It doesn't,
Yeah.
you don't need to be like, oh, here's this thing. You don't need architecture. It's just in the file.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well,
I
this
don't
is cool
know.
because you're only going to work on this file. So like it doesn't need to
Yeah.
do anything else. So
Yeah. And I don't want Copilot to add more files. So we gotta be pretty strict about that.
yeah.
Mostly because this is just in my fork, and I'm gonna commit right to main because I follow all best coding practices.
No branches, just
No
letting it rip.
branches.
Just auto
Yeah.
commit hooks. Yep, perfect. Nailed
Yep.
it. Yep. All right. Are you gonna plan
Alright.
it? What are you gonna do?
Oh, I'm a big planner. I
Wow.
plan everything. I find it's most effective at getting the end result, quote, unquote, "in one shot," but, like, I just find that to be easier in terms of iterating back and forth with the agent of, "Hey, this is what I wanna build." And then it comes up with questions I didn't even think of. It's like, "Oh, wait, yeah." Or maybe I was assuming it would do it, and then but I wasn't explicit about, like, "Oh, make sure it's accessible and the colors are correct," or whatever. The plan
Yeah.
is really nice because it'll deliberately ask you that stuff, which is pretty cool.
All
Alright,
right.
well, let's start planning.
Okay.
I want to add a GitHub Copilot chat window just like VS Code has on all of these pages. Let's use the Copilot SDK to get this working. Um, Now I'm like, yeah, that's it.
That's it. That's it.
Yeah. And we
Okay.
can see what it comes back with. It's not
Yeah.
gonna implement anything because it's in plan mode.
Yeah, it's
So
fascinating. You use slash plan, which I use in the CLI, but I don't obviously. Well, actually, I don't even use that in the CLI. I shift. But are you a big slash
oh,
command person?
yeah, I'm
Mm.
CLI/command. That's my jam.
I'm anti slash command. Did you know that? I'm anti
Oh,
skill, anti slash command,
I feel like we are complete opposites of each other in this in this stream.
and
You have
anti
multiple
plan mode.
files, anti-plan mode. That's
No, no,
so
no. I
funny.
use plan mode all the time. It's my go to. So it's like nonstop basically. So
Yeah.
I'm interested to see if it knows like about the Copilot SDK. My best practice
Mm,
has been to that's researching. Look at it read. Things are
yeah.
happening.
Yeah.
I
Oh,
like that.
yeah, they
Okay.
just added this, like, collapsible. view. So
That's nice.
it's like nice and clean and you can see the larger points, but if you wanted to dive in, you can look at everything that it was looking at. The same with like if it ran a terminal command, that terminal output is in a little tray as well. So it's kind of
Mm.
nice.
I was talking to Justin on next week's VS Code podcast. Go subscribe, VS Code Insiders podcast. And he was just talking about this UI, the shimmer,
Mm.
and why they redesigned it. And because, previously, if you were sending this command out, you can still see your original prompt on the top right, but normally you wouldn't see that because like everything would be scrolling and it would just like,
Mm.
right? It would just be nonstop. And you're like, oh, okay, like, is that important? Is that not important? XYZ. So that's
Yeah.
was kind of there. I'm fascinated to see like if it's going to like what it's going to I guess it's going to stay on this one page, hopefully.
Yeah.
Because did
I
you
hope
give it
so.
the
I didn't
page's
say that.
reference? No.
No.
That's the learning experience
Yeah.
when you're chatting. It's like, well, you be understand me. Like just know
Yeah.
read my mind.
Yeah. I guess I should have added this context.
It was
It's
right
right
there. It was
here.
ready.
It
It
was
was
right
ready for
there.
it. It was right there the whole time. I bet it'll know. But you're in plan mode, so it doesn't matter. You can always redo it.
Yeah.
You
Yeah,
can
that's
work on
true.
it, iterate. Yeah. Let me
Um,
clarify.
we could also start up another chat while this is going. Like 2 pans on the stove kind of thing. We're
Oh, yeah,
cooking.
yeah. I mean, you can't
Um,
just make the pasta without the sauce, and you can't make the sauce and the pasta at the same time.
yeah,
You can't put the
exactly.
garlic bread,
Oh,
you gotta put it in the thing. So,
dude, you're making me hungry. It's like
uh,
11 AM for me.
yep.
This is cool. Isn't this like MCP apps? Is that what's going on?
I don't I
The
think it's a custom
UI?
UI. I
Ooh.
don't know, though.
Oh, I don't
I don't
want
think it's
any of
any of
these.
those. No.
I guess I gotta provide a link.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wait, did
Oh,
you go back?
I clicked I'll provide a link.
Oh, I would do other and then put it in there. And then, yeah, github.com/github/copilot -SDK. Can we create custom UIs? Yeah, you can create custom UIs with MCP apps. You can. They'd pop up just like this. Someone was asking in the chat. Bell was asking in the chat. And of course, you can create extensions. You can create your own. So yeah, you can create custom UIs. Yeah, that seems correct.
Is that right?
Mhm.
Okay. Well, I just guessed the URL based off what you said. It'll figure it out.
Yeah.
It's smart enough. Maybe maybe just like general. Oh, come back. General coding
So
helps.
fast.
I
was like, I
know.
got you.
It's like
I got you.
we got to keep cooking.
Did you know you can use the keyboard on that?
Alt N.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, okay. I guess maybe I'll hit a number. Okay, wait.
I think
Let
you
me
just go
read.
up and down and hit enter.
Side panel, for sure.
Yeah.
Control Enter to submit the whole thing. Boop. Wow. Dude, I'm big on the keyboard shortcuts, so I'll take it.
You know who's not? Me. I only click on it. I don't. If you're a long time, if you're a long time watcher of Let It Cook, which has now been going in its 18th season. Oh, there you go. Look at that. It's gonna go. It's gonna figure it out. Basically, Burke like loves the keyboard, and I hate the keyboard, and he's always like, just do Command Shift B AWC, and I'm like, I just click this button. So, do you know the buttons in the top? You know those buttons in the very top right? You see those buttons?
These?
Like the left bottom right? No, up one. Yeah, up one.
Oh, these.
Yeah, those. I click those all day, every day.
I never touch these.
Yeah,
I leave
Control
everything
J.
where it
Who's
is.
gonna remember Control J? I don't got time for that. I just need to.
You just did.
Yeah.
I want to actually. Do you think I could just put this into autopilot mode? This is new.
I don't know. You're still planning though.
Yeah, but it's asking me something, and I ain't got time.
Yeah, I got time to do it.
We've got a set time.
Well, I was talking to. So this is cool. What is happening here? So there's 3 modes, and we talked about this a little bit last time. Let It Cook. Autopilot mode. So I figured out what the difference is. Okay. So bypass mode is going to bypass like requests like this, but it will stop to ask you questions. Or if the terminal needs input. Yeah. Now, autopilot will not ask you questions. So if you go into plan mode and you're in autopilot mode, it's going to
Yeah.
say, "Listen, Kayla's not here. Kayla's going and making some cinnamon rolls, and and I will figure out my best guest." You know what I mean?
Oh,
So that's important. Look at you and your Zoom it
I
tools.
know.
Yeah, that's very nice.
I know.
So pro moves. So I don't know. I mean, I would maybe bypass, I guess, for
Yeah.
plan, but then it should still stop you if it needs clarifying questions.
Yeah. I didn't know
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, I
That's
didn't
perfect
either.
for this.
Justin told me. Now you're still gonna have to allow and
I know.
review.
I was like, maybe I could just retroactively do it.
That would be cool if it was like, "Oh, I'm gonna switch modes," and it's like, "Oh, you're pending? Okay, like, maybe that'll be next."
Yeah.
It should be able to figure this out. The nice thing is that this thing should
Oh yeah, this is right.
figure out the SDK.
Yep.
I like how
Oh,
it's did you read it? As like, it's technically in technical preview, so do we wanna use that? I don't know. Yeah.
that's what I'm asking for.
Well, I'm curious because, like, actually, I don't know if it can do that because, like, the Copilot SDK uses the CLI and it has to be hosted on a server somewhere. You know what I mean?
These are valid points.
But I don't know how the
Yeah.
VS Code website is done at all. So it's going to figure it
I
out
don't
and tell
know.
you. I guess if
Yeah.
anything, you could always tell it to do like mock questions, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
We can fake it.
Fake it till we make it. That's my
Yeah.
plan.
This
So,
is super interesting what's happening. I just noticed this. This is not the model I picked.
that is correct. Well,
Yeah.
Kayla, here's a pro tip. That is a sub agent using a different model because not all models need to read a file. So check this out. Go into your settings,
Oh geez. My
bottom
laptop is
left.
right in front of my screen. Hold on.
Oh, she's gonna
I'm
press a
making my
button.
way. I know. I bet you there's a keyboard shortcut for this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
It's
Settings.
control. Yeah, and then say
Okay.
default model. Oh, there goes her.
Why? This is my laptop camera.
Well, don't unplug now.
I know.
You should be able to unplug and replug. Oh, it's like it's built into your laptop?
Yeah, I switched because the other one was giving us
Wow.
trouble.
It's a
Anyway,
default
I'm
and
still
then
here.
model. Default model.
Oh, here we go.
Yep. And then so here, these are all the different ones. So here's there's the explore agent. So there's the plan agent. Now don't click on any of those because you're gonna have models that people shouldn't see. So don't click on them.
Okay.
Okay.
I won't.
But in these drop downs, so here, for example, there's the inline chat, and then there's the explore agent, which is what you saw. This agent is exploring, and this is just an auto mode, right? So it goes off and it explores with a smaller model because it doesn't need to do all that craziness because it has its own small context window and it's reporting back to the main agent. That's agent orchestration in work right there. So fun fact. Now, if you're like, I don't want to use Heiko, I always want to use like GPT, 5.4 mini or something like that, or a smaller, different model because you like how it
Yeah.
thinks, then you can change it. You can change all of it. So what I have is I have a different plan. I have a plan model, which is like
Ooh.
5.4. And then I have an implementation model, which is 5.3 codex. And then I need a review agent, but I have like a review agent, and that review agent's default is Opus. So then I use all three.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah. Anyways.
Um, I will probably have to leave and come back if we want my face to come back. So
Oh my
I will
gosh.
help answer a question that's in chat though.
Yes.
There's a question about the theme that I'm using, and I'm using the Winter is Coming dark blue
Mm.
theme from John Papa, my
Oh,
favorite one. It's really glowy, which I love. It looks really cool.
boom. I like that. Is that an extension pack? You gotta go find that on the extensions
Yeah,
page.
I think I went
Yeah.
through the extensions and then looked for themes. Like the second I installed Insiders, I was like, I need this to look different than stable. So I colored it differently
Mm,
and used this like cool glowy blue winter is coming
I like it.
theme. Yeah.
Well, let's finish up here and then we'll let it cook, and then I'll start up a cooking session. Then we'll go back and forth. How does that sound?
That
While
sounds
you
good
figure
because
that
then I
out. Okay.
can refresh my screen, which
Yeah.
will yeah. All right, I'm still
Wild.
here. Okay.
Okay.
So the bypass mode is working because now it's still asking me stuff.
Nice.
Um, let's see. Maybe chat only. I'm not trying to like go crazy with it.
Yeah.
Because you can't really build stuff in this
Yeah.
web page. What was the first question?
Yeah. What was the first question?
Oh,
Oh.
maybe I hit a shortcut.
Mm,
How should visitors authenticate? Oh, we're getting really serious. I wasn't
yeah.
thinking too deep into this.
Wow.
Um, Can we fake it?
Yeah, I think you tell it to fake it. I think you tell it to fake it. Say scrap the SDK and let's start with fake mocks. That's what I would do. So this is what plan mode is all about. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, I didn't know that because you
Right.
could.
Like I
I
didn't
don't know.
think about
Yeah,
this.
I didn't think
Yeah.
about it. I mean, technically, they should be able to log in with their account, but I don't know if we want people wasting their precious tokens on this.
Yeah, because they're not
Yeah,
gonna actually do anything. I don't think.
yeah.
I mean, I'm like, could you point it to a repo and then have it go like delegate over there? Like maybe. Now
Maybe
we're getting in the weeds, maybe.
we're getting deep.
Um okay. Customized with a VS Code specific prompting system or general purpose. Both?
Both. Yeah, both.
Both. Submit.
I like how it didn't give you that option though, but it was like, yeah,
I
both.
know. You
It
get one
usually
or the
does.
other.
It usually
Yeah.
does. Yeah,
Hmm,
I like it. Because this
cool.
should be able to go do some stuff. All right, what's this? Scrappity scrape. Let's just use
Both.
fake data. I do like that.
Ooh,
Oh,
UI
planned.
design is planned.
Hmm.
Ooh. Fake hard-coded responses. Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay, yeah, so it's finalizing, which is cool.
I like that. So
With
then
the
what's
haiku
interesting
model.
here is
Yeah.
it should now it should be auto. I'm gonna have to ask the team how it does it. I'm assuming because auto will pick based on availability and things like that.
Mhm.
My assumption is that for this chat context, I bet it sets the same one for every single one. So I bet it uses haiku for all of them and it's not using like different ones.
Like
Whereas
every
like,
explorer?
mm-hmm.
Okay,
Because
okay.
when you're in a single session like you are now, if you were to have auto mode as your model, don't open your model picker just in case. I don't know if you've modified it.
I
I'm always
did,
terrified.
I cleaned it up, but it's fine.
Slash
I don't
streamer
wanna
mode.
scare you.
Well, sometimes Pierce is like, I can't today. I'm like, okay.
Today's not a
Like,
good day
okay.
for this.
Today's not the day. He's like, you're coding. I'm like, all right. If you were in auto mode though, it would use
Mhm.
that model for the whole session. So it would pick one. Let's say it picks 5.4, or maybe it picks,
Mhm.
Sonnet, or maybe it picks whatever model it thinks, right? It's going to go off and use that main model as the orchestrator for the entire chat session. Then if you open a new chat
Mm.
session, it may use a
Yeah,
different model at that time, right? So if you were in auto mode or something like
interesting.
that.
Yeah.
So I've seen basically that it uses haiku for all explorers because haiku is like small, fast, the context window for exploring is good. And it looks like it's creating the memory file, which
Yeah,
I feel like it should be, I
it's
feel like,
shared,
yeah, it seems to
it's
be creating this.
and we can
Oh my gosh.
oh, see, we poked it, and now it's like, "I'm still working." Stop.
It's still working, bro.
Yeah, but
Don't poke me.
the team added that where the memory files are shared across agent sessions, so then
Oh,
everyone gets that data, which is really
that's
interesting. So
cool.
if we make this plan, and then we wanna start a new session and maybe actually add the SDK in that session, it will
Oh.
pull in that data from the memory files, which is really cool. So it's already in
Oh.
the context, you don't have to re-explain the plan or, like, it changes a decision that you already made. So it helps you be a little more efficient, which I think is cool.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, hopefully it spits out this plan. Okay, Tushar asks, do these modes work in VS Code Web? I find Copilot sleeps when tab is in background, even though website's excluded from Chrome memory optimization. Tushar, the chat will work in code spaces, right? So if you're in a code space, which I'm often in, then it will all work, although it's the same. Pretty much 99% is all the same. Obviously, some extensions work not in that experience based on the environment, but it should work fine. But your code space may go to sleep. So this is what I often find, by the way, which you'd have to change your code space settings to make it not go to sleep as often, basically. So I think the default is a few minutes of non-interactive, but the chat doesn't count as interactive. So there's that. So wow, look at that. That was a
Yeah.
big.
Very thorough.
Oh, so this is new. Check it out. You have start
Okay.
implementation, start with autopilot, or open an editor. So that's new. Start with autopilot.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm
let it
big on
rip.
the autopilot. Well, we don't even know what we wanna read it? Or was it
I trust.
I'm
I
such
mean,
a
you answered the
planner.
question. You answered the questions, Kayla. I don't know. It's your code. It's your code. That's your code. It's your code. It's not my code.
I can hit. I'll hit start with
No,
autopilot.
read it. What's it say? What's it say?
It says
What's it
what
say?
we
I
said.
want to read. I want to read it. Now make it big, and then I want to read it.
Make it big.
The whole chat can read it. Yeah, the top right.
There we go.
Wow. Ooh.
I don't click these buttons. I just stretch the whole thing.
No. Do you want a James pro tip?
Yeah,
no, not those.
Course.
Okay. So move it back to the normal size.
All right.
Okay.
This is my day-to-day workflow. Is just
okay.
That. Okay.
Now see in the top right where there's 2 X's, which is very confusing, like 2 closes. Yeah, hit the one to the left of the close. That one. Yep.
Dude.
Boom. So now when you click it again, it'll go back to where it was.
Oh, see. That's good. That's a good click. Even though I was clicking and dragging, which is absolutely worse.
Yeah. All right, what do you think of this plan?
All right. Side panel container with a header. We're using the Copilot icon. Toggle button in the nav bar. Perfect. Put it in the layout as you should. Oh, it's making a new file. Look at that.
I like that personally. That's a James.
I mean, you're supposed to. I'll let it slide. It's cool. Client side JavaScript, that's cool. We're cool with that. Fake data, hard code responses, 10 to 15 canned tips. All right, we can add more later.
Yeah, definitely need more.
Oh, yeah.
It has the documentation. It should be like all of it.
Yeah. Oh, it's making 3 files. Oh, terrible.
Does that hurt? Does that hurt your
soul? A little. Yeah.
At least it'll be isolated, right? It'll be isolated. And then they could use that chat window in other parts of the website.
Oh, like not the 1 million page.
Yeah, they could use it like on the home page.
That'd be cool. A little meta. I mean, we got to talk to the team.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll start this and then maybe I'll refresh my stream so I can come back.
So what if you haven't seen this before Kayla leaves, the autopilot mode, what it's doing is it has bypass. So it's not going to ask you anything. It's going to bypass any questions it may need clarification on. It's going to bypass any terminal input and just assume best success. And what it's done is it's created those to-dos. See the 8 to-dos? And what Justin Chen told me is that basically what the loop is doing, it's kind of like a Ralphish loop, but for the plan, it is going to go through every single one and it's going to keep checking itself and asking for validation that every single step was checked off along the way. And it's going to keep asking over and over again to check itself, to check the task, to make sure it's done until it's done fully, over and over and again until it's done. They're tweaking that a lot, right? It's in preview. You can turn that on in stable, by the way. It's off by default, on by default in insiders. So it's going to keep going and going and going and just keep cooking while you go, basically.
That's cool. That's a smart way of doing that.
Yep. Okay. I'm going to cook while you go refresh. All right.
Okay. Over to you.
All right. We'll see if Kayla comes back up and I have to like figure out where Kayla is at. I'm going to bring up remove your monitor, put that up. Okay, cool. Well, now I just have the 1 million website up. So that's great. Okay. So I over here have, what's going on here? Okay. That's the build website. Nope. Okay. So I've been vibe coding Scott Hanselman's tiny tool kit. Oh, Kayla's back. I got to bring it back though. Boop. Okay, cool. I've been working on the tiny tool town for Scott Hanselman. Now, Kayla, I have a fork of Scott's website, and I've been doing all these like train the traders for the GitHub Copilot dev days, which if you don't know, if you go to aka.ms/GitHub Copilot dev days, there you go. It's this Luma page. I'm going to put that in the chat. What I like about using the browser built in is like it doesn't bring down my history, right? Like I don't like dox myself. That's kind of nice. Look at all of these events. So many events all over the place. Hundreds of events up and coming. You can host your own, get that swag. There's one happening today. Oh my gosh.
Today?
Yep. Whoa. In Ho Chi Minh City, in Da Nang. Been there. Hanoi. I've been to all 3 of these places in Vietnam. Bangalore. Have not been there, but they're happening all over the place. I'm hosting a few, one in Portland area and one in Central Oregon as well. I'm going to cover all of Oregon. It's there. But I've been doing these train the trainer videos and I've been adding all these features to Tiny Tool Town. And then I've been showing in the video how to create a pull request and use Copilot, and
Mhm.
I've been accidentally um, sending pull requests to the actual repo instead of like my repo, because like the default is
Mm.
like the origin or whatever, and that's totally
Yeah.
on me. And then Hanselman's been accepting them. He's just been blindly accepting them as well, which is great. Here it is. And so I was looking at my GitHub mobile app this morning, and sure enough, there's these two that I did, and I like Scott's responses because I'm pretty sure they're AI.
Yeah.
They're very nice in here, but it's like, here's this and this. He's like, this is amazing, and I was like, dude, I did not even know that I did it. That was totally my bad. And this is actually a good one. Copilot did some deep research and found out that he was downloading like a meg every single time for no reason.
Ooh.
So I like this one. It's really clean and the perf numbers speak for themselves.
Mm.
Thanks, Scott. All right. Scott is a bot. But so I added this feature. So if you go into Browse a Town,
Mhm.
um, I added this, which I think is nice. So when you go
That's
here,
cool. Yeah.
yeah, yeah, little life. And then you can say tiny clips, right? So one of in here. So that's tiny clips. That's my app. Ooh,
Oh.
yep. It's favorited because it's a local cache here. Now, um, there's a GeoCities one. Ooh, even custom things work in here. Oh, I think, uh, yeah. Okay, those are all good. Okay. So what I don't have though is I don't have a favorites page. Um,
Oh.
so
Yeah.
there's people can favorite, and now you can browse, and then you can do favorites only, and then that
Hmm.
will do this. But there's no favorite page, so I figure we'd add that really quick. So let me do a new chat over here, and so if I go to plans, yeah, I click that. See, look at this.
So I use my mouse?
I use my
Yeah.
mouse. Let's click around.
Yeah, do it.
Okay. Can't do it. Okay. Then we're gonna go big here. That's how I code. This is my normal coding here. Okay. Okay, so we have all of our favorites in place. However, we don't actually have a favorites dedicated page. We should plan that out. And then also, we should be very cognizant that that toolbar up top is getting pretty crowded. So in mobile mode, we probably want to have some hamburger button fly out menu as well. Because Scott didn't implement it because he doesn't think about mobile. He just loves the desktop. And then you just send that right off. So then I got to zoom out a little bit because else I can't actually read it, Kayla, because it's like so
Mhm.
big. Like if it's so big, it's
Yeah.
hard to read. That's good.
Yeah, yeah.
Do you use the voice chat at all?
No, but I am in awe of people who do. Like, wouldn't it be cool to just, like, walk around your house and just tap the mic or something and be like, "Actually, let's do this," and then it speaks back to me of what it built,
Ooh.
and
Do you
then
know
we
what I
can yeah.
they need to put that in the GitHub app. But you know what I do is I go into the GitHub app, I open a repo and I start an agent session and then I speak to it using like the built-in clicker.
Oh,
But it
I
doesn't
haven't done
speak
that.
back. I love the idea of it speak like, if it was having a conversation with me, like, they're ooh, that could be neat, like, real-time audio mode. I'm just burning tokens if that's the case. So but, I use the Copilot app, the Microsoft Copilot app, and
Yeah,
I have a conversation with it. I'm a really one Microsoft person, but there's a voice mode, and I just have full-on conversations, and it's, like, really good, almost real time. It's fantastic.
that's cool.
Yeah. It's
Yeah. I
almost
haven't done
therapy.
that.
Yeah.
Almost.
Almost. The
Yeah.
voice I use, so if you go into the Copilot app, I go into my settings. Where are my settings? Yeah, click on my face, click on my button. Preferences. Nope. Voice settings. I use Canyon. Canyon's my favorite.
That's the
Get
oh,
philosophical, creative, or poetic if you like.
That's
Think of
Canyon.
me as your superpower in your pocket. I can write stories.
No, wait,
I
no,
can get
Canyon.
philosophical.
Canyon's my dude. He's the best. Add a visible favorites nav link. Keep header as is, link to favorites somewhere else. For example, no, that one. Full browse. So look at me click. What should the dedicated favorites page include? Full browse experience. Search, empty state. Yeah, sure. For mobile, should the hamburger replace the top menu fully or only collapse overflowed items? Yeah, these are all, yeah, you should be able to figure that out. Okay, so it's going to go off and go to town. See, I'm a big 5-4 planner. So fast. So
Yeah.
fast. It's just so fast.
Yeah. I find I flip between Opus 4.6 and GPT 5.4
It's good.
like pretty frequently.
I'm a lot of people up for debate because I switch when I implement to 5.3 codecs, which is slower time to first token, TTF, time to TTFT, time to first token. See, look, this is great. Watch this. See how it just did all that stuff? That's great. Cool. Just go for it. See, now it flipped automatically. It flipped automatically to GPT 5.3 codecs because in the defaults, you can have a default implementer as well.
Oh.
So fun.
Yeah.
Fact. So now this is because, Kayla, I am a PM. You're a PM. I like my planning for most cases, not always. So I'm planning features, right? Like I'm not planning if I'm planning a bug fix, like maybe I would then change my model to like a Codex model or an Opus model or a Sonnet model. But I like my plan to be like a PM, right? And 5.4, which is also very good at coding, and 5.3 and 5.2, they have this PM mindset, in my opinion, which like they are coders. They have vast knowledge of code, but they also think differently about the problem, in my opinion, as being a PM. And the PMs don't. The PM doesn't need to like worry about the code. I don't need to worry about the code implementation right now. I'm planning the feature. Later on, the engineer needs to go figure out how to implement that puppy. So that's my mindset, at least.
Interesting. I agree with you, but I find like Opus to be maybe more PM-y. And then GPT, I find like the responses of like GPT and GPT codecs to be very crisp and concise, like very like engineering to me. Of like, yep, we did this, here's the bug, like this is how you fix it. Like I've had some very tight conversations with the GPT models, and then Opus is like, I'm gonna research all this stuff. We're gonna find out every single which way to do it. Like I'm flipped from your take, but I agree with you. Yeah.
See, I'm a type of PM that doesn't like to do any research, though. Only use what's in my knowledge base. That's it. No, you're right.
Wow.
You're like the Claude models. They like to like. I've always said they like to like. They're in a field and it's like explore and touch all the corn. So and wheat.
Wow. You got me good there, man. Yeah. That was what a hot take.
Hot take. Fly up menu. How's your cook going? It already finished. It's too fast. That's ridiculous.
We are verifying that the build compiles. You know, I should have switched to a GPT model, I feel like, for my implementation.
You could have. Look at this.
But yeah. Well, I'm rebuilding Copilot in the web, so
that's much
I got a little more details.
227 favorites. That's not
correct. You gotta fix that filter.
Oh, I see. It didn't. It may not be done. Oh, did you? Okay, favorites. That is not correct.
Does the embedded browser? That's not the right name. The integrated browser.
Integrated.
Does it have the mobile display buttons like that? When you hit like F12 in a browser, it'll give you the options. You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah, you can go into.
Ooh, yeah. Yes.
Yeah. Nice. So I could. Actually, I don't know. It doesn't seem to let me drop down there for some reason. It does let me do it, but maybe the default is only this one. But it should. But you can obviously just do this, and then it's,
Yeah. Well, you told me not to do that.
But when testing, it's good. Okay, so I'm going to give it some context. I'll say, all right, bro. When you go to the page for the very first time, the favorites page, that is, it shows 227 favorites, like the maximum number. It should actually show you the number of favorited in general. Not that. Now, if you do still search or like you scroll down and like tap on something, then it will actually do it. And then also like, let's remove all of the little chippies for all the different filters because we're only looking at the favorites there. So like maybe we just have the sort by for the oldest, newest, and stars on there. And then like that should probably be like based on like when you favorited it. And like, can you do like a little adornment to show like when it was actually favorited? If we have that information. If we don't have that information, like that's totally okay. Like don't worry about it. Like I don't want you to do extra work at all. Like it's totally good. So don't worry about it. You gotta have a conversation.
Yeah.
It's interesting. See, like
I
this.
should-
Someone says this, Opus says it sounds more like a PM to me.
Yeah.
Interesting.
That's what I'm saying. Yeah, maybe try flipping them. See if you find a different experience.
GPT 5.4 is just so fast.
Yeah, so
I'm
you
more
would
of
want it to implement quickly. I'm still implementing over here.
I guess. I guess. Well, I don't know. I guess it depends on the cook. Are you still implementing?
Yeah.
Do you have any UI updates or anything like that?
Oh, I don't know. I need to run the server to get the local version up as well.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, maybe I'll just start another chat.
And tell it to run it. Yeah.
Because yeah. I wanted to actually talk about the browser for a second because I really should use the integrated browser more. But I just take a screenshot of a problem area and paste it in as context. But you like clicked on a thing.
Mm-hmm.
And then you were like, hey bro, right there.
Hey, bro. Right there.
That's really cool.
You just use this, you also have like console logs too if like there's like a problem. But then you can just like use this little puppy here. Oh, and I could actually I should share it with the agent so it can verify itself. So like now, because I shared it with the agent, it should be able to like execute and verify stuff as well, like inside of the browser. What is that? That's a new window. Let me close all to the right. Boom. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool.
Oh, that's a cool page.
Yeah, it just did it. Oh, now it's doing stuff. Okay. So now it's going to like go and just like, it should figure itself out basically. So it should like actually do stuff. So let's go ahead and I'm going to tell it to open up the browser and test it again. Let's see. I'm going to steer it and go from there. But like in this case, because we're in autopilot mode, like it can it's probably run a bunch of commands and I have no idea what it's doing. But it can also run playwright scripts too. So like if I give it the context and it needs to scroll or it needs to do something, it can do that as well. Let's see.
Also, mine did finish and
I'm
spinning it up. So we'll see.
Okay. Oh, it looks like it did it. Okay, I confirm the initial render is correct. What? Okay, cool. So now hands off. I think it's gonna go favorite something maybe.
I wonder which one it's gonna pick. What if it has an opinion?
I should in the I should in the custom instructions and do a PR for this. I should say only ever look for tiny clips and then look at favorite it. Wow, cool. Only ever look for tiny clips, which is my app, and then use that for testing. Wow, this is cool. I mean, it's validating itself. Like this is the cool part here. I don't have to, do anything. It ran a bunch of playwright scripts, like scroll around, do stuff. Yeah, looks great. Cool. All right. I also validated the behavior. Cool. This is good. Favorited this day. That's not exactly where I would want it to be. Like,
yeah. Oh, and it's above the card.
Yeah, like probably if I make it smaller here, that doesn't look the worst, but
I'm not into it, man.
No,
gotta be in the card.
Okay.
Maybe next to the star on the bottom right, because that's the favorite count, right? Or is that? Wait, are we using stars and hearts in the same thing?
Well, stars are how many GitHub stars there are on the project.
Oh.
Yeah. Yep. Okay, I like what you did here with the favorited date, which is cool. However, it'd be better if it was like on the card itself, in my personal opinion. and it wasn't too distracting. And of course, it only showed up on this page specifically. Okay. Yeah, I think you're right. It should show up maybe like under the chippies.
Yeah.
Yeah. Under the chippy. Yeah. It added these little, there's multiple hovers. So like actually like if you click here, it goes to it. But then if you go to clicky, it's gone. Maybe we should have a unfavorite question mark. Oh, ooh, that's nice. Okay, good. It did do it. I like that. Favorited this date. Cool. Faves. All right, cool. I like that. One favorited item. I don't know if you actually need this or not, but I'll put it there. One favorite. I don't know if you need this favorited on here, in my opinion. I'm going to say this. Okay, say, all right, the little count up control is pretty cool, but I think on this page specifically, it's a little bit big. So let's make a new like mini version of it. Like maybe there's like a mode or whatever, and like the default is the default, and this one's smaller. That aligns it side by side, like horizontally. I think that might be a little bit nicer, in my opinion, so it doesn't take up as much real estate. And then we could also use that view in mobile, for example. Good. How's your cook coming, Kayla?
Well, it looks exactly the same.
Icing on top of it or no?
We're cooking, but it looks exactly the same as before.
What? So, okay, share your screen. Let's take a look.
Yeah, I'm working. Clicking.
I've built when you build the VS Code website, I always have like issues of like it's very big. It's just like a multi-step crazy process.
Yeah, I don't know. Well, I have it. I think you could.
I'll bring it up.
You could pull me in.
Put me in, coach.
Put me in. Okay. So to catch you up, this was cooking.
Was this
now
the
we're
website?
in here.
Wait, is this the website? Okay.
Yeah, we're on localhost.
Oh, okay.
This is where it's hosted. Everyone go to localhost 3000. You'll see it. But so this was the chat that we were originally cooking in. So while this was going, I asked it in another chat to just start it for me.
Oh, nice.
So it did this for me. Can you run this page for me so I can see it? And then I clicked the plus button down here to add the context so it knew. And I changed to GPT 5.3 codec since we were just talking about it. And then this one finished, but now this looks exactly the same. And I don't know if it refreshed or not. Looks like it. Okay, maybe it finished. Come on.
It looks like maybe the other session stopped it.
Do it again.
I found good success for like just opening a terminal with the website and running it.
Yeah,
keeping it there.
I really
should.
should.
Running it.
Oh, it is upset.
I bet it stopped the server though.
Yeah.
The server is down.
Oh. This doesn't look like the right command.
I don't think so. I think did I put a prompt in to run the website? I might have. I forget.
Yeah, and I'm only running the one page. I didn't like do the whole thing, but maybe that's why it's not showing up because we added more files.
Yeah, it needs to compile the rest of the files, maybe.
Maybe I could ask instead of in a separate chat without the. I mean, it should have the plan, but maybe I ask it to run it.
Oh.
Oh, wait. Oh, look at that. Look at that.
Oh. Close. That was pretty good.
What's up?
Oh, that's pretty good.
High control shift B.
That's pretty good. I like
it.
I mean, it had to come up with like whatever it thought was it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. That's funny that you could just say anything and then it'll just give you a tip.
I love it. Control P.
I'm curious if this is on every page. Yeah.
Was it different themes?
Hold on. No,
Nope.
I gotta
That's the
add
next
that.
step. Yeah. It has to be theme aware.
Yeah. Do you know that there's like a bunch of Easter eggs in here?
Oh, I know. I
Right
clicked on
there.
all of them.
Yeah.
It'd be
Ooh.
cool if those buttons did something too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm,
Babel says, looks good. Ship
I
it.
know. I agree with you. I'll make a PR right to Maine.
It's
I'm already
pretty
in
good.
Maine. I'll just commit.
Exactly. All right. What do you need it to do now?
Well, I mean, I heard it's shippable, so. But I mean, honestly, the fact that this isn't center aligned is going to bother me so much. You see that? Look at this.
Oh, I can see it.
This extra
Well, the cool part
space.
is that you're sharing the browser with the agent, so it now knows. It can see
Oh,
everything.
yeah. Let's do that. Here, new chat. I didn't need to click that. We're already new chat. Okay, wait. You hit this, and then
I did hit that.
Oh, I want the whole button. Oh my gosh, dude. This is so cool. Can we vertically center this? It's gonna bug me. Okay.
And I'm not sure if the VS Code website like hot reloads either. Like, I'm not positive. So I'll be interested to see if it does.
Oh, yeah.
Because I don't know. I could never get it to work. When we were working on like the dev days page, I was just like, I don't know how to do this. It's like it's all handlebars and a bunch of craziness.
Yeah. Handlebars was new to me. I hadn't heard of that.
Yeah.
Oh, reload. Okay, but didn't hot reload. I gotta do it myself. Think I can hit F5?
Dude, that's terrifying. I don't know.
No. I can't. I gotta click. Oh.
See, this is why I probably would just run the server
Yeah.
separately, probably. The other tab, like, shut it down. It's like, sorry, bro.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Control backtick. Terminal.
Wow. I just hit the down pane.
You hit where?
So on the very top right, see there's like there's like a little down, up, left, that one.
Oh, my light is right over that. Wait,
like,
let me look at the stream. Oh,
it's
here?
like to the right. No, to the right, 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 to the right. That nope. So the one in the middle. The one with the down.
Oh,
that one.
that.
Yeah. The toggle's a pane. Yeah.
Oh, I was looking for a down arrow. I'm like, there's nothing in here.
Yeah, that's how I do it. Old school.
That's funny. Okay, well.
I think it's like, what is it? NPM.
I know we got 2 panes here.
Yeah, all the panes.
Can I just do a new one? I don't know what's happening. New one. I wonder if I could just look to see where they ran the npm run command. And then I could just replicate it because I can't just run it like straight up.
Oh.
But yeah, ran npm run dev.
Oh, that's good.
I wonder where it ran it though.
Oh, ask it.
That's a good point. I should just ask.
When in doubt. You also have 16 winget updates. I just want to point that out.
Oh yeah. I gotta, I'll do it. I'm a big fan of auto update.
Oh, that's where the dev task is. All right. I said just ran it.
Oh. From the root. All right. Well,
that's cool.
All right, let's try it.
You can just ask it things. Yeah. They must have fixed this because before it was like a lot slower, but now it seems to be a lot faster. So I like that.
Yeah, I was like, something's missing. I don't think we need the back end, right?
Is there a back end?
Check server port. Man.
I think that does it. I think it's still starting though. Because it's compiling build scripts. There you go. It's still going.
Oh, it's still going.
Yeah, it's still going. Yeah. It takes forever.
Like, this is one file, so.
Yeah. Well, it's building the whole website.
Oh.
Yeah.
But now we've got a dedicated terminal for it, so I don't have to keep asking Copilot.
Exactly. It may try to anyways, but it is what it is. Yeah, see, it just goes. It takes forever.
Yeah. Huh.
I don't know why. My assumption is that npm run dev, there's probably another one that's like looks and only like does a diff or something. I don't know. But only Nick knows. So I don't know anything. He's the only person that knows how to do it.
Fair.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because
No,
look at it go.
yeah, it's still.
It's like all the release notes, all the blog. It's like everything. It's all in one build.
Yeah. I guess
It must have
I'm like,
done
can I just
something
like
else, right? Because it was so
I
fast
don't.
before.
Yeah, but I started a new pane, and maybe well, no, that shouldn't matter. If stuff was like
Oh yeah.
cached in there, that shouldn't matter.
So someone Tamed was saying in the terminal pane there was a split. It says what's watch app and what's watch do. Like I wonder
Oh
what it
yeah.
actually did.
Well, okay, so the thing on the right looks like the npm run dev output.
Mm-hmm.
On the left, scroll. Finish building. I can't get any further up.
It must have done something. Webpack.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah,
Do you know
we
you
need
can
slash,
rename
man.
these? You can rename your little terminal things.
F2.
F2.
Watch docs. F2.
Yeah, F2.
F2. Did it build it?
Oh.
No.
No.
Huh.
Copilot help. Dev is giving an error.
Yeah.
Please fix.
Code, we both will be at MVP Summit. Yes, Sean will be there.
So excited.
I'll be there. Yes.
We're going to be doing, it's kind of like a cooking session.
Yeah. We are. We have like a showdown of sorts. We haven't figured out what we're going to talk about yet, but we have a session. Me, Kayla, and Mads Christensen does. So what's it? It's running something. I'll reproduce the build failure. Did it fix your other bug, Kayla?
The vertical alignment?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I think
yeah.
I think it did, and then I was like, "Oh, let's refresh," and then everything got sad.
Yeah. What else do we need it to do? We need it to be like theme aware, and then
Yeah. I mean, should we just kick off some work trees or something so they don't conflict?
YOLO it, bro. Just do all in one branch. What are branches? You're in Maine.
We're in Maine.
You're in Maine. I don't know.
Yeah. Okay, hold on. Let's do this. Add context. This is setting the agent. I want the background option. Is that it's down here. Boop. Oh, they changed this.
Yeah, now it says
CLI.
Yeah, they've changed it about 20 times. We're testing. So Kayla is built the 1 million website on the code with others. I don't want to take away from anyone here. People helping out. Lee, I think, helped out. Built this page, and she's adding I shared it in the chat. She's adding a Copilot chat to the right-hand side.
Yes.
Yes.
I don't know if my internet dropped or your internet dropped, but we're back.
We're back.
Okay, yeah. So now it's running this whole thing again. I think we just throw stuff in work trees.
Yeah, go for it.
We can't wait for this. We have things to do. Okay, so a few options. We got the work tree, or I could put this in the cloud, but I don't want to leave the editor. So we can hit Copilot CLI, and then this, you can do a work tree or a workspace.
Yeah, workspace will be like your current one. So
yeah, I don't want to switch that up. Okay. Oh, and it changed my model. Interesting.
Yeah, I'll remove your window so you can change it. No, go ahead. You can change it.
Oh,
hit it.
I'm telling you, my drop down's fine.
Okay.
I fixed
you
it.
Can change. All right.
Look at that. It's fine.
Beautiful. Wow.
Yeah. I got 2 cloud sonnets though. I tried to just put the newest ones in here, but
yeah.
We could try sonnet.
4.6 is pretty good.
The 4.6.
I like it.
I was like, what were we doing? Okay. The new chat window we added in Do I want to use a new chat for this, or should I just use the one that we were working
I think you can
in?
use the new chat will bring over the changes. It'll ask you.
Okay.
Watch this.
All right.
It's pretty cool. Yeah.
All right. All right. In another chat. Doesn't match the theming of each page. I should have dictated this. This would have been so much faster.
Give it like all the things you want it to do. That's what I say.
Yeah. Oh, and then it'll just sub agent everything. Let's make sure. Yeah.
Maybe like it should have some, I'll put my PM hat on. Like maybe it should have some like default like questions you could ask it, you know? Or like you could like look for keywords if you ask it questions about certain things. And then you should say like, you know, expand your VS Code knowledge base as much as humanly possible. You know what I mean?
Yeah. I'm just
What
writing
else
down what you said.
Oh, and then it shouldn't be like a pop over. It should be more integrated into the IDE, like a pane.
Oh, yeah.
Right? Yeah.
Shouldn't be a overlay, I guess.
Yeah. It should be integrated. Like a VS Code pane. I mean, it's cool that it flies out, but I also wouldn't, you know. What else did it do? We got it working. That was half the battle.
I don't know. Randomly hit the confetti. We could send those.
Yeah, send it off.
Wait, here. Boop.
There you go.
There we go. Yeah, this is cool because when I do stuff in the CLI, those sessions show up here. So I can just bounce back and forth. So when I am doing web work and I want that integrated browser thing, I could just come in here. And then I can click on those elements, which you just showed me, which is pretty sick.
That's true.
Because I've been screenshotting and pasting that into chat, which is like 6 more steps than I need.
Yeah. Is it doing it?
Oh, is it because it's a work tree? It's like, we'll come back when we're done.
It should ask you to bring over the changes. I feel like it didn't actually send it. Copy that prompt. That's what I say.
Yeah.
Maybe hit the resend button up top. That's like underneath it to the left. Under the little fork. Yeah.
This guy. Oh, no.
Ooh.
Well,
service disruption. Try again.
Dang. Well, we can do not a work tree.
I'm looking up GitHub status.
Oh, no.
Degraded performance.
No. All right, well, let me...
Uh-oh.
Let's back out. Let's get out of here. Let's do another...
That's weird.
Paste this. Yeah. Get rid of that.
Try it again. Just in the work tree. See if it does it.
Same.
No, something's weird. You are also on an insider, so something may be broken completely, by the way.
That's fair. Yeah, because maybe if they're playing with this new CLI integration, there might be some weirdness going on.
Something might be broken.
We can leave that.
Yeah.
Let's just keep going with a different method.
I guess just local.
Yeah. I don't want to throw it to the cloud because I don't want to go up there.
Yeah.
Oh. Do I plan this or do I just send it?
Just maybe with it.
All right.
Let's see. Then if this doesn't work, then that's a good time to end the stream. Because, oh no, it's going. Yeah, weird. It must be an insider bug. I think that's not a thing.
Yeah. I wonder if I can fix. Does this work yet? Nope.
Oh yeah, did it ever finish your
No.
It says it's currently free.
report conflict from separately running
Yeah.
npm serve.
Yes. Tame does say there's 5 hidden chats. So perhaps they're conflicting in the terminal. You see the terminal 5 hidden chats?
Oh,
Yeah.
good eye.
Yeah. Could always kill
Yeah.
them all. Sometimes that's what I do. I just like, kill them all.
I think maybe one of these is for this.
I confirm build has only
Yes,
search
I got another one.
artifacts.
6.
All of them. They're probably just abandoned.
I don't know if I want to kill them because I think this
It's
is
doing
that's
it.
this. Yeah,
That's that.
Yeah. Well, they all 3 of them have the same name, so how can I know?
Yeah.
That's a feature request. Let's
they're
get a
all
timestamp on these.
Yeah, they're all last. They're like the last thing it did. It looks like it's trying to fix the gulp file thing, which doesn't seem correct because it obviously ran before.
Yeah. I don't know. Were you running stuff? Did you have things that were still going?
Yes. Let me see. I'll bring up mine. Boop. I think mine's good. I think mine's like ready. So it's like favorite. So I did like a favorite saved. And then I feel like let's add a confirmation when we remove the favorite. Just like let it rip. Because I feel like right now, you can, if I go into browse and then favorite it, and then I go to favorites too. And if I click on this, I think it just goes away too fast. You could accidentally click that. You need to get a little confirmation window. All right, it's going to pop up. Tool card.
I like where it put the date though. It looks good.
It does. It looks good. You know it's AI because it's got that nice little hover.
Oh yeah, gradients everywhere, hover animations.
Hover. I like it.
Yeah.
I've added confirmation on remove in the favorites. Hey, not just that. Like, let's do a. Oh yeah. Oh, it's doing it itself. Let's see. Is that using a normal modal, like a normal pop-up, or a themed one? Because it should. Like, I think it's using just like the default like browser pop-up, the little pop-down thing. But I really want like a nice themed one, right? Like to the app theme.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's using the native. Of course, it's using window.confirm.
Of course.
Of course it is. Because I didn't specify. And it was like, I know how to do this in one line of code. Sure.
Yeah.
But now I'm like, give me more. I need more lines of code. That's how I'm compensated here. Lines of code. What is it doing? Nobody knows. It's adding it to all the views.
A custom card. Yeah. That makes sense. Because if you're on any page. Oh.
That's good. Oh, it's doing it. It's like
a house. I couldn't figure out what the icon was. It was going so fast.
It's pretty good. And this is nice too, because I think it should be able to like read those elements and then dismiss it. Because I think with the native window picker, I don't know if it can or not. You know what I mean? So, there's this TikTok view too.
Yeah.
So then. Star opens it.
Yeah, that's cool.
Because you star it. Yeah. Hanselman. So funny. This is pretty good. I think this is good. I feel like this is shippable. Silly.
Yeah.
Favorites. I want to do this. I'm wondering, can you take a few screenshots and then can you commit the code? Then let's take a few screenshots of what we added and then open a PR with those images Can you do that? I have no idea if I can do that. Did you get it working? I see a little thing. Is it happening?
Yeah, it's happening, but it has no changes
Oh,
from last time. Like this is
ew.
still like up in the sky, stuff like that.
It's still cooking. Although now it does say ask me anything about VS Code features, shortcuts, and extensions or settings. Did it say that before?
Yeah, I mean, it might have.
Hi. It's pretty good.
We got to randomize this. We already got
Yeah.
this tip. I already know this. Yeah, this is still going though, which is interesting.
Yeah, it's cooking.
Yeah, and then this is the long one with like 7 different things. But I think it's doing the UI testing now, so it's probably getting close. Build succeeded.
Ah. I like that. I'm going to see if mine.
Mess with it while this one's going.
Well, that one's going. I'm going to see what it did. I think it took screenshots. Like, I actually don't know if it can take screenshots. It says it captured screenshots.
Oh, yeah, I think it can. Like, I've had it file PRs with screenshots of UI
really?
in it. Yeah. Oh, it's literally making a PR?
I think so. So, like, it's telling me what I need to do. It's like, hey, go do this stuff. And then I'm telling it, go do the things. I don't want to manually go commit stuff. Just go commit the stuff.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like, why bother?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm doing everything that's possible from inside the session now. I'll gather the exact context. It should just be able to commit it. I have faith in it that it will commit it. Yep. Okay. Yeah, run those commands. Oh, cool. Did it do it? Yeah, run those commands for me. Let's see if it does it. It's telling me to run these commands.
Mm-hmm.
Terminal git write commands are blocked by environment policy in this session. What? Maybe I need default. This terminal path. Whoa. Oh, there it goes. The terminal path is still blocked. I'm trying to. It shouldn't be because it should be able to do. Okay, now it's doing it. Weird. Stage favorites, quota task finish. I did do it. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's what interesting. Maybe there's some things that autopilot like will refuse to do. Because now I'm back in default, and now it's like, cool, I got you. Okay, now it's going to create the PR. Oh my gosh, I'm terrified. Created PR images.
Yeah.
Ran playwright code. Oh. They did like navigate around. You got this. Working.
I'm rebuilding over here.
Okay. I told you the VS Code website takes like forever to rebuild.
Yeah. Well, I asked it to rebuild. I think maybe it just started the server without.
Okay, let's see what it did. Push succeeded, including screenshot assets. I'm creating the PR now with screenshots embedded.
Yeah.
And now it's going to use the GitHub CLI to do it, which I'm out of date. I need to update. I'm glad I have it installed. Am I logged in? I hope.
Yeah.
Heyo. Let me open this puppy. Hey, it did do it. Cool.
Nice.
It's like header count. Remove favorite confirmation dialog. Cool, thanks. It did do it. That's I like how it just did it with that one theme. That's good enough for Hanselman.
Yeah.
He'll look at it. He'll pull it down. Wow,
Yeah.
cool. That's neat. Actually, that's a really cool. I'm going to start doing that more. Like, hey, open the PR like with these images and do these things.
Yeah.
That is fantastical.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Let's see where Kayla's at, and then we'll wrap this puppy up. Oh, Kayla's screen's all crazy. There you go. You're back. You're back.
Yeah, we're restarting the. I know it keeps disconnecting for me. Yeah, we are. This is the npm run dev command once again, and the build finished up here. So we are close. I think. Fingers crossed. But yeah. While this goes, do you want to see some more Easter eggs in here?
Sure.
I'm so excited about these. Like, these all work. You know, file takes you to the docs.
Oh, nice.
View takes you to the VS Code. I think you guys showed this last time where we can't watch ourselves within the integrated browser.
Unless they fix that. They might have. That's a good question.
Yeah, I don't know. Freaks me out. I don't want to do that. This is a real link to Insider's build. If you want to.
Nice. I like that.
Insiders. This is like FAQ. Yeah.
And then,
fun stuff.
And then you
This
can
timeline.
add tons of stuff to those ones too. Like I think like you could just go to town to like make everything clickable.
Oh yeah, like there's all these things here. There's like a merge PR button. Like that could do something.
That would be cool. It could like do.
I don't know what.
Something.
Yeah, this is not even implemented. These on the left.
I feel like this you could just, you know, if you could obviously get it to like build faster, you know, obviously and do stuff that I think like it would be pretty crazy because you could just like continuously add like every little tiny feature onto it, you know?
Yeah. Yeah. The sky is really the limit. Oh, and this is, oh no, I was like, this is a different color than this, but it's because it's selected. That's okay. But yeah, none of these work. We can make those work. The status bar at the bottom doesn't do anything yet. Ring this bell. Maybe
it could make a little noise.
Bell.
Oh,
yeah.
No, yeah.
Oh, I was gonna say the YouTube bell.
Oh yeah.
And then also a little noise. Both.
Like that.
Yeah. But yeah, we're still in the haven't changed anything here yet, but this is, I don't know why it's running playwright code if I just asked it to rebuild. So
I don't know. I can't even see that browser tab, can it? Is it looking at that browser tab or a different browser tab?
Like this one? Or like in my browser?
Whoa, did you see that? Go back to the other tab.
Oh, wait. Did we do that?
Oh, it's themed. It's themed, Kayla.
It's themed. And look, it's centered. That's so funny.
That's so great. You did it.
Wait, this looks so much better. Wait. Now we got to use this. Okay. What are the best VS Code shortcuts? Control-Shift-P, Control-Shift-F, Control-Shift-G, Control-Backtick. And you could change them. That's so funny.
That's so funny.
It was here the whole time.
Yeah. I think you probably need to tell it that it should only be on the 1M page and not the other pages.
You don't think this should be on the main? It's right up here. It fits right in.
What if you go to dark theme? Does it do dark theme?
Of course it does.
That's great. Oh, I love it.
I feel like I need to give an apology to Copilot because it worked.
It did work. We were just in the wrong tab. What if you refresh the other tab?
Yeah, because like this isn't even the same. Okay, wait. Yeah.
Did it implement an entirely different?
It did it twice?
No way.
Yeah. I mean, this is a completely different than this.
It's definitely different.
That's.
Or maybe it's in a different mode.
How we got here. Maybe because I had too many sessions.
Oh, maybe. What if you go to the 1M? What if you go to the 1M page from here? And then is it the same? Whoa, crazy.
No.
Wow.
That's so funny.
That's crazy.
Wow. Well,
Now you got 2.
This is what happens. This is what happens when it's not in one file. Everyone gets it.
Everyone gets it. You just don't even look at the code. This is pretty cool. I mean, that's pretty cool. I like that.
Yeah.
Boom.
Oh, these are the same.
Can you ask it anything? What if you ask it like,
Yeah. What day is today? Open the command palette.
I like that. Yeah. To run almost any command. That's correct. Yes.
Yeah.
This is the demo.
Yeah.
Responses are simulated, not AI generated. What?
Use Control P.
No.
Yeah, these are definitely in a set order. We already got those.
I like
That's
that.
so funny.
I love it.
It worked.
That's how you cook.
That's how you cook.
That's how you cook.
Yep.
All right, chat. Thanks for cooking with us today. Kayla, thanks for cooking on the website. I'm hoping by next week this is fully shipped and integrated once you plan out the feature. It's pretty good. It's really close.
Yeah.
It's like 95% the way there. It's just is now everywhere. So
yeah, that's what we wanted.
That's what we wanted. Yeah.
Yeah.
That was pretty good. All right. That's going to do it for this Let It Cook. Thanks for hanging out. We'll be back next week cooking some more. Like, subscribe, help us hit that 1 million on the VS Code YouTube. And you can, of course, register. Your registration's open for build. Check this out. Whoa.
Ooh.
Yep. Yeah, it's very. I'm going to keep playing it over and over again. So marketing is very impressed with me. In San Francisco, come hang out with us. June 2 and 3 registrations open. aka.ms/build26. Check it out. Hope to see you all there. I'll see you there, Kayla, and also see you in a few weeks at MVP Summit.
Yeah. Can't wait.
All right, cool. Thanks, Kayla. Ooh. Appreciate you coming on streaming. All right.
Thanks for having me.
All right. I think we close it with, do you want to do it?
I don't know how to close it.
There's only one way on the VS Code channel to close anything.
Okay. Well, happy coding.